All right, so when we're solving equations using addition and subtraction, the two methods that we really have available to us is canceling out by creating zero pairs, or if we have the same thing on both sides, we could also think about throwing the same thing away from both sides. Our ultimate goal here is going to be to get down to one x, one green x on one side. So let's go ahead and start by writing out the equation. So the abstract, the way that I would represent this side would be 3x plus 5. And the way I'd represent the right side, I'd write it as 2x plus 3. Now, I know that these two sides are equal. That's what an equal sign is going to stand for. So what I'm going to do is I'll start off by throwing the same thing away from both sides. So I can see that I have x's, at least two x's on both sides. Okay. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. Okay. Now, to get rid of the ones, it's a little trickier because I know that I need one green x in order to solve this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag a bunch of negative ones up to cancel these out. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and do that now. Okay, so I'm going to cancel out these positive ones so that way I can get everything away from the x by putting negative ones next to it. Okay. So a positive 1 and a negative 1 will cancel out, but I have to keep this balanced, so I'm going to do the same thing to the right side. And notice how I organize this. I put my 3 negative ones with my 3 positive ones, and then I can see that now I have an x on the left, because all of this is going to cancel out, and I have a negative 2 on the right. So I subtract 5 from both sides. I now have x equals negative 2. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the second problem. All right, with my second problem, I see that I have a bunch of negatives in here. And I know that in order to finish this problem, I need to have one positive green x. So the first thing I think I'm going to do, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write down my problem. Negative 3x plus 2 equals negative 2x minus 3. Okay. And I want to get to just positive x's. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually add positive 3x to those red x's over there. So let me pause the video and pull those up. All right, so I'm going to put the positive x's with the negative x's, which will cancel those out. So all of those will cancel out now. So I'm going to add 3x to the left side. Now if I add 3x to the left side, I have to add 3x to the right side because I have to keep it balanced. So there, and hey, how convenient. I only have one x left over. X. Okay. Now I also need to get rid of my numbers with my positive x. I can see my numbers on the right. So I'm going to bring up 3 positive ones to get rid of those negative ones there. Okay. So I drag those ones up, and I know those will cancel out now as well. So I'll add 3 to the right side. Now if I add 3 to the right side, I have to add 3 to the left side. So 1, 2, 3. And I can see when I do that, I have 5 left over. So the solution to this one will be x equals 5.